In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MetaTrader5 login credentials on Exness. This is really useful if you've already created a trading account, but you're not sure where to locate the exact details you need to log into MetaTrader5 on your computer or mobile device. First, make sure you're logged into your Exness client area in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right-hand side of the screen. You'll see an icon with 9 small dots, usually arranged in a grid pattern. This is your main menu for navigating different sections of your Exness account. Go ahead and click on that 9-dot menu. When you do, a panel or drop-down will appear, showing several options. From here, you want to look for the section called Personal Area. This section is where you manage your profile, your accounts, and other important settings related to your trading. Click on Personal Area. The page will refresh, and you'll be taken to a screen that gives you a more detailed overview of your trading setup. Take a moment to let it load completely so that all the information is visible. Next, within your personal area, look for the option labeled My Account. This is where Exness lists all of your trading accounts, including any MetaTrader5 accounts you've created. Go ahead and click on My Account to open it. Once you're inside the My Account section, you should now see a list of your existing accounts. For each account, Exness typically displays key information, such as the account type, the trading platform, and the currency. Among these details, you'll find the login information you need for MetaTrader5. This usually includes your account number and the server name associated with that account. Take your time to identify the specific MetaTrader5 account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're looking at the one labeled for MT5. The login credentials for that account will be shown right there below the account name or details. Once you've located your MetaTrader5 login credentials, you can use them to sign into the MetaTrader5 platform on your device. Just remember to keep this information secure and avoid sharing it with anyone you don't fully trust. That's all you need to do. By opening the 9-dot menu, going to